What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode on Stamping Saturdays, the theme is birds. Birds. One of my favorite birds is a hummingbird. So I'm going to pull from this plate BMS 155. I am going to try and keep you guys out of the sun. But this hummingbird down on the corner right there. Jeez. I'm moving soon, so sun, I love the sun, don't get me wrong, but why does it always gotta be out when I'm trying to film? Alright, so I am going to use Frozen, sorry. I'm going to stamp with Frozen Maniolgy stamping polish. I'm a Maniolgy ambassador. Never Naked 10 is my code. This is going to be a pretty quick video because I'm only doing one nail, and I know, is that a shocker? This is my old bottle of Frozen, so we'll just see how. Oh, I see, no good. Be right back. Okay, let's try that again. I don't know. This plate doesn't want to pick up. Oh, lordy. BRB. Let's see. Ugh. The struggle's real. Let's try turning the plate. Oh, for the love of something. I don't know. It's becoming a pain. See? Okay, so, I don't know, 45 minutes later, I have no idea what's going on with this plate, but anyway. Let's get over here. What I'm going to do is reverse stamp this, and I'm going to use these are glow-in-the-dark gel polishes. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put a coat of smudge-free top coat on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got smudge-free on there. Probably really hard for you guys to see white on white. Here, let me, it just, there. It's my watercolor palette. Okay, so the four colors, these are Born Pretty, I can't remember the name of the collection, but CC, I can't remember. Cotton Candy? I don't remember. Anyway, Born Pretty CC 03. This one is 02, 04, and 01. Okay, so we're out of the lamp. This is a color changer. It goes from this warm state like this to a cold state. Let me see if I can spray and just get it to go cold. So the dark blue is its cold state. My hands are very weird, so sometimes one nail will be cold and the other ones won't be, so. So the background is sometimes dark, that's what I'm saying. So that's why I stayed with really bright, happy colors. I'm going to place this, I buffed the surface shine off, and I'm just going to place this one. I don't want as much of the rose on the top. I'm not a huge rose fan, but they were there. So I'm gonna trim off the edges and clean it up with some acetone. And I will be right back and show you the finished Manny. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I love hummingbirds. Hang on just a second. Sorry, I'm going to show you this with a shiny top coat, but I'm going to matte this top coat, and I'm going to add some cuticle oil. I'll be back to show you the final look. Hang on one second. All right, so I matted it. I really like it matted. I like that a lot better. And some cuticle oil. This is the Rousing Rose from Maniolgy. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm not a huge rose fan again, but this one, softly scented and great cuticle oil, as you can see, because my hand was a mess before, and now it ain't. Well, it still kind of is. But anyway, I'm going to go now. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down in the comment section, you know, because that's where you leave comments. And I will get a picture of this glowing. I'll add it during editing here. And go check out the other ladies who participated in this week's bird collaboration. Their links will be down in the description box. And pictures of their final manis at the end of the video following mine. So, if you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please consider joining me on my journey. I would really appreciate it. I really do appreciate the time that you spent with me today. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget, smile at the grumpy. Bye.